not available. My phone is available.
Good evening. Welcome to Jio. My name is Kamal. How can I help you?
Welcome.
Can you hear my voice?
Hitting. I have a.
Somebody is there online. Please respond to the call.
Yeah. Strategy.
Are you online, sir? Can you hear my voice?
Yeah. I want Jio SIM in output.
Sorry to inform, sir. I'm not able to understand what you are telling. Are you comfortable in English?
Small.
Hello?
One SIM.
One SIM.
One SIM. On Jio SIM in output.
Sorry?
One SIM. I'm একটা SIM buy করবার চাই. One SIM is output. Out.
Are you comfortable in English?
One SIM is out in my pocket.
In which language you are comfortable, sir?
Hindi available.
You want to speak only in Hindi? So if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option.
Yeah.
Then definitely one of our Hindi advisors will help you in resolving your problem. So if you are comfortable...
Hitting my mata nasta huing.
If you are comfortable in English, I can help you.
I am something.
Hello?
Hindi জানার নাম চাকরি দিছে কেরা ইন্ডিয়ার মানুষ হিন্দি জানার দরকার আছে
speak only in Hindi, you can just disconnect this call and call back on the same
কি কইতাছেন আমি বুঝি না মাথায় ধরে না শুনেন আপনি ইন্ডিয়ান মানুষ না you are Indian না
my voice?
you Indian না you তো জানার দরকার যে ইন্ডিয়ান মানুষ হিন্দির দরকার রাষ্ট্রীয় ভাষা
Are you comfortable in English?
You comfortable in Hindi?
As I mentioned earlier, I'm not comfortable in Hindi.
Not comfortable, you are Indian?
So if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can disconnect this call and call back on the same number.
Yeah, sir.
Definitely one of
I talk to English. Small talk to English. One SIM, on Jio SIM is Dugan. Store is output in my mobile.
I am sorry to inform you, sir. I'm not able to understand.
Oh, really? You are talking...
Comfortable in English, I can help you.
Hitting, you are English, not something. I am something into my bhataya kota queen. You are not something...
Alright, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to speak only in Hindi, you can call back on the same number and select the Hindi language option, preferred language as Hindi.
Hitting, you are Assamese Janing?
Definitely one of our Hindi advisor will help you.
What? Why don't you? Young.
Are you online, sir? Can you hear my voice?
Your voice. Come.
Hello? Yes, sir.
हिंदी आदमी को दो हिंदी मैन को गिव योर मोबाइल
Sir, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not comfortable in Hindi. If you want to speak only in Hindi, you can disconnect this call and call back on the same number and select Hindi.
One talk me. Yes, sir.
Select the Hindi option.
Mobile give on the Hindi man. My kotha something?
Sir, I'm not able to understand. Not able to understand the language which you are speaking. So if you are comfortable in English, I can help you.
Your mobile, please send, madam. On Hindi, madam, send me, please, your phone.
Hello.
Your mobile.
Are you comfortable in English?
Your mobile on give and ma'am and Hindi.
I'm sorry to inform you, sir. I'm not comfortable in Hindi.
Comfortable to English.
I'm not
You.
comfortable. Yes, sir. I'm comfortable in English.
I am comfortable in Hindi. I am
So-
comfortable to Hindi.